Lots of stuff.
I'm making exotic fish here.
With lots.
With stripes.
Kameleon. Kameleonid on need kihvtid, kui nad käivad niimoodi.
Lots of clay to make crocodile.
What color is your crocodile?
It's green.
And does he have eyes?
Yes. He only has one eye.
Does he swim in soupy water?
No, he swims in fresh water.
Fresh. See nõuab suurt tööd sellepärast, et see peab pehmeks kõik tegema.
I need stuff for the tail.
I need stuff for everything for my old part.
Oi, don't take
Don't
this.
take everything. We
This
wanna.
is everything.
I can make some
It is not food.
Wow.
Ära ahitse, tüdru.
This is nice.
What is that?
See rock.
Rock.
Oh, this is clownfish.
Is that Nemo?
You know what?
Look.
Snail. Choose a snail.
Look, Mommy.
Who's that?
He has a mouth.
Ah.
He has a mouth. I can make a part mouth.
Ooh, my clownfish has a big
Mida sa ennid seal selle?
Can I have it?
Tere meie juurde. Tere.
We're making stuffed clay, Jonathan.
Can you make a Jonathan out of clay? Oh, nice.
Do you want to make clay with stuff, Daddy?
I'm watching. Can you make a Jonathan out of clay?
He has yellow stuff. I can make 2 legs.
Maria.
Tule siia, Jonathan.
I am putting them in the water.
Let's make some
color
cheese.
do you want?
I must lose a leg too.
It's purple.
Look.